Hello everyone, my name is Steven, a staff member of 360 Zebra Warehouse. Let me show you where the Cyan Oasis wind spinners are located at. They have thousands of wind spinners at our warehouse. Here are a part of their products. Here is the Helix Butterfly wind spinner. Let's unbox it. As you can see, the wind spinner is 84 inches tall. This is much bigger and taller than I expected. I love the color. It looks gorgeous. It can spin in opposite directions in 360 degrees. The whole wind spinner is made of metal. Those 3 prongs are made with solid metal. Heavy enough to withstand force 5 strong wind. We are located at 437 in Baldwin Park BLVD, City of Industry, California. We have around 100 staff members and the warehouse is around 250,000 square feet. If you love their wind spinners, go order them online and you will get it in 3 to 5 days.